Hello everyone, welcome in our Webu channel. Now we will see how to lock any apps on iPhone. First we'll access to setting after that screen time, and turn on screen time. Press this is my iPhone. Now we'll access to app limit and add limit. Select which app wants to lock, and press next. After that we will set time. It will be 1 minute minimum, and back to screen time. Enter to use screen time passcode. Access again to app limit. Enter passcode, your app's limit and turn on block at end of limit. That's it. Thanks for watching Webu channel. And don't forget to subscribe and like channel.